In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pen tool in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're new to Photoshop or just looking to refine your skills, understanding the pen tool is essential for creating and editing paths with precision. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this powerful tool. First things first, open up Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you're not familiar with the interface, take a moment to look around and get comfortable. The top menu bar and the tools on the left side are where you'll find most of the functions we'll use today. Once you've got Photoshop open, the next step is to make a canvas. You can do this by going to the File menu and selecting New. A dialog box will appear where you can set the dimensions and resolution of your canvas according to your project needs. Once you have your canvas ready, you're all set to move forward. Now let's get to the pen tool. You'll find it in the toolbar on the left. It's usually represented by a fountain pen icon. If you don't see it right away, it might be nested under another tool, so keep an eye out. Once you've selected the pen tool, you'll want to adjust its settings to better suit your workflow. One important setting to enable is the rubber band feature. You can access this by going to the toolbar at the top of the screen and clicking on the gear icon. Enabling the rubber band option will allow you to see a preview of your path as you draw, which can make a huge difference, especially when working on complex shapes. With the pen tool prepared, you're ready to start creating paths. Start clicking on your canvas to create anchor points. These points are like the dots in a connect the dots puzzle. You can click around to make a simple angular shape or click and drag to create curves. Remember, the more anchor points you use, the more complex and detailed your path can be, but also don't overdo it. Too many points can make adjustments cumbersome. Once you've created a satisfactory path, it's time to make a selection. To do this, right-click on your path and choose Make Selection. This converts your path into a selection, allowing you to work on the area inside it. You can click OK to use the default settings, or adjust the feather radius if you want a softer edge. Finally, let's fill your selection with a solid color. To do this, go to the Layer menu, hover over New Fill Layer, and select Solid Color. Choose the color of your choice and hit OK. Your selection will now be filled with the color, bringing your creative vision to life. And that's it. You've successfully used the pen tool to create precise paths and selections in Photoshop. Practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different shapes and techniques. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.